We can't believe this day has finally arrived.
I mean, 5 years. 5 years in the making, where we built and then we tore it apart and then we built it again and then we added new things, but it took 5 years to get to this moment.
And how many times we thought, I told her, are we nuts? Are we crazy for doing this? I know, but you know what? Today, everything makes sense because we're finally opening the doors to, I think, our most beautiful project ever.
Yes, the Local Aromas Family community. Now we are in Villa Borghese in Rome, and as we take a walk, we want to tell you all about a place that you could call home.
This community is nothing like our social media, right?
It is actually completely different than what we do on social media, because the Local Aromas family is our home, and when you choose to be in it and be a part of it, you become our extended family.
And guys, it's a very, very safe place where you can talk your heads out about Italy. I mean, you know when you love Italy something so much and you talk, here you have passionate.
Yes. And you won't be annoying to your family and friends anymore, because you have a bunch of like-minded, passionate people about Italy that you can share your experiences about, you can learn about, and it's just
beautiful.
Yes. But I say, andiamo verso Galleria Borghese?
Sì.
Galleria Borghese. Let's go to Galleria Borghese.
Ok, andiamo.
The heart of the Local Aromas family is you. So the first thing that we did is we created places and spaces for you guys to meet, to interact, to exchange ideas. Actually, you know what? We created 3 different spaces. The first one is the family chat, and it's a place where you guys talk about different topics, because they're actually different chat rooms. So you've got the ones, you could talk about Italian soccer, Italian food and wine. You introduce yourself. We all celebrate our birthdays. You can ask questions and get inspired about places in Italy to visit, because you can share places that you loved. It's just everything. It's about exploring Italy, about Italy's food and wine, about cooking Italian, and that is all in our chat room.
And then we have our live events. Now, every Sunday at 10 p.m. Italian time, we have been meeting in Zoom with the members of our beautiful family, and we have a live event. A live event could be our mom sharing one of her amazing recipes in a live cooking class. It could be somebody talking about wine. It could be a special guest. It could be just anything, and obviously related to Italy. And it's a beautiful moment where, you know what, all the different members then become family. We chat, there's a lot of interaction, because you get to know each other. It's like sitting around a dinner table with a whole bunch of people chatting and getting to know each other. Who drinks wine, who drinks coffee, depending on which side of the world you're at. It's just beautiful.
And last but not least, family challenges. This is gonna happen every month, where different topics, we're just gonna pull out different topics that could be cool for you to learn about. And we just challenge ourselves. It's a fun, interactive way to explore Italy, learn about the food, the wine, the culture, the places, and obviously no winners, just fun. The second best part of the Local Aromas family,
because you guys are the first,
of course, is that it is designed, created, thought about by local Italians living in Italy. So what we do is not that we're teaching you anything. What we do is we share our culture, we share our traditions, we explain the whys and the hows. Italians do it the way we do.
And so we have 3 sections where we share our local insights.
Exploring Italy is like the local guide of Italy. So in this section, we will be sharing how the regions of Italy are, what towns to visit. It's about local tips and guides and survival guides. And It's also a place, because you guys send us a lot of messages, DMs on social media. Here is where we will be going in depth and answering the many questions that you guys ask us, so that we know that we are giving you everything that you should know in the Exploring Italy section.
Another section, it's my favorite, it's called Eating and Drinking Italiano. Guys, we have put together a place where we talk about the ingredients, the products, the dishes, and what to eat where, because remember, there's no such thing as Italian food. And this is not just something that a group of Italians put together. No, this is something that a group of food experts put together, because Valeria, as you all know, is a trained pastry chef and an olive oil sommelier. I'm a wine sommelier, a olive oil sommelier, and a professional cheese taster. And we have a team of people that are highly qualified to tell you what you need to know about Italian food, because let's talk about it. Food is the most important thing. And so we really go in depth into telling you and sharing with you. And also, since you guys have asked us 1,500 times every day, what are your favorite places to eat? What are your favorite places where to have the best gelato? We put together a map, a Google map. For now, it's just about Rome. We're gonna expand, but you can download it, and it's got our favorite spots that have actually been tested or that we have taken from very, very specific guys. So however, it's places that we give a thumbs up to.
And then you've got Cooking Italiano. This is the kitchen of the family. Here we share traditional Italian recipes, local dishes, remember, regional cuisine, and they're not just our family recipes, they're actually even recipes in Italian cookbooks only. So we're gonna be sharing that to you, and you don't have to be a chef to make it. So even if you've never boiled pasta, or if you are as, you know, like our dad, he doesn't even know how to turn on the stove, we will guide you step by step. And if you're a chef, you are going to be amazed at the amount of very simple ingredients that is just, you know, Italy is all about simple ingredients. Why are you?
There's something also very, very important that I'm gonna spoil.
And what is that?
Guys, we're going to be adding mini courses. Now, I know, but you know what? This is something that's going to keep growing and growing and growing. Mini courses. Imagine having a mini course on everything about extra virgin olive oil, or how to taste wine, or
you know, how to make fresh homemade pasta shapes, because there's so many different shapes,
or
and gnocchi. And you know, we have a lot in mind that we want to be adding month by month, but then it's based on what you want. And so we're gonna be building and growing
together,
the family.
I think it's so
together.
Beautiful. It's so beautiful. I had to tell them.
No, it's a good idea. Bene, brava.
Thank you.
I say, let's go to the zoo, because in Villa Borghese you have the Bioparco.
What else could you say? Let's go to the zoo. We know that everybody starts from a different place. You could be tiptoeing your way through Italy for the first time, or you could have been here 1,000 times and you want to dive in deeper.
And that is why we have made the Local Aromas family flexible and affordable. There is a free plan, and there are 3 subscription plans, so that you choose how much of Italy you want in your life.
And you can upgrade, downgrade, and cancel anytime you want.
Let's see what plans we have for you. When you join the Local Aromas family as a free guest, you are an Ospite. You are a very welcome guest, where you have access to valuable content like stories from Italy, public events. So, you know, look around and see what there is that you like. If you want a little bit more, you want to dive deeper into, I love Italy and I want to learn more about the culture, the lifestyle, the traditions, then just go and join our paid membership of just €7 a month, called Amici. If you are also a foodie, then the next step for €27 a month is Famiglia, and the one that gives you full access to the Local Aromas family is Casa, €47 a month, where it's all about Italy, it's all about Italy's food and wine, and it's all about Italian cooking. So it's up to you what feels best and right for you. Just choose if you want to continue being Ospite, if you want to become Amici, friends, Famiglia, family, or Casa, home. can't believe we got to the end of this video. I just get so emotional just to think that you have watched it and you discovered this piece of our heart, really.
This piece of our heart. Can I say something? This has been her dream, her nightmare, her obsession since the very, very beginning. I mean, she's been thinking about this for over 10 years. I want a place that's special. I want a place that's special. And so to be able to see her dream come true after, I mean, I've worked on it too, but it's her. I mean, if it wasn't for her, this wouldn't be here. And it's just, I get goosebumps because we know the value and the heart and the love that she has poured out into this to make it your home, Imagine how I picture it, because she had to explain it to me a lot. You enter a home, a house, typical Italian house in the countryside with olive trees, and then you pick what room you want. You want to just, you pick the rooms that you want, but then we all live together as a family, and you've got your spaces, and it's beautiful.
Yeah, I mean, I'm really excited. I'm really excited. It's just like my first day at school. And so you guys, please come in. Even if you just feel that being a free subscriber is fine. We don't care, because it's about creating a community. It's about creating family and knowing that you have a local Italian family with you and for you and to serve you. For me, it makes me happy. So welcome into the Local Aromas family. Wow, thank you so much. What a wonderful welcome into the Local Aromas family. Grazie. Bellissima.